Recently, more and more business owners are trying to use digital printers to print embroidery patterns on clothes instead of traditional embroidery techniques. Utilizing digital printing techniques to print embroidery patterns is more efficient and convenient. Traditional embroidery uses needle and thread as its medium, creating patterns through combinations of different stitches. Digital embroidery printing, on the other hand, is a fusion of technology and printing techniques. Essentially, it's a printing process that achieves embroidery effects through digital means. Utilizing computer-aided design technology, it converts patterns into digital signals. Use UV-DTF printer prints patterns with texture and a three-dimensional feel of traditional embroidery. The entire process requires no needles or thread, achieving non-contact printing. This technology overcomes the limitations of manual operation, making the realization of embroidery effects more efficient and precise. The result you are seeing now is printed by the UV-604 Embroidery Textile Printer from Sublistar. Equipped with 4 Epson i3200U1 industrial printheads, this device utilizes 8x ink stacking technology to precisely simulate the texture and three-dimensionality of traditional embroidery stitches, achieving a lifelike effect that is better than needlework. The print is soft to the touch, crack-resistant, and wear-resistant, and has been tested to withstand more than 20 washes without fading. Its advantages lie not only in the accurate reproduction of the effect, but also in its multifunctional adaptability. It offers high adaptability on cotton, linen, and polyester, delivering both faux embroidery and 3D raised labels. With the UV-604 embroidery, you can achieve realistic textures on accessories, bags, footwear, and home decor, combining embroidery's visual richness with UV printing's efficiency for creative and commercial textile production. With an intelligent ink management system and self-cleaning printheads, the device operates stably and has low maintenance costs. If you are interested in this innovative process, contact us today to place your order and start creating stunning, high-quality prints.